A quick tutorial on how to change your email address on Bybit. So follow these steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing is to click on your Bybit mobile application. So now once you click on your Bybit mobile application, you now scroll to this point where we have your profile image at the top. So now once you click on your profile image at the top, the next step is to click on the setting gear at the top. This is the location of the setting gear. So now once you click on that, you now proceed, you now click on security. Here is security. So now once you click on security, you will now see your email. So if you want to change your email, you click on it. But mind you, before you be able to change your Gmail, you are entitled to change or to activate your two-factor authentication. So now once you are done with that, you click on Gmail. And then you proceed, you click on change register Gmail. Now once you read the terms and conditions that you won't be able to perform P2P transaction and some other things for the next 24 hours, you now proceed, you click on OK. So now once you click on OK, you now send a code to the Gmail, and you also copy the authentication from your Google Authenticator. So let's click on get code. So now once you click on get code, you now proceed to your email, and then you now copy the code. And then the next step is to go to your Google Authenticator. I'm going to cover it. And then you proceed and you copy the link, and then you now paste it. So once you are through with that, you now click on confirm. So now once you're through with that, you now proceed and you now enter the new email address you wish to change to. You now confirm the new email address by sending a code, and you now receive the code and you insert the code at this point. So now let's proceed and check our Gmail to receive the code sent. So now here is the code. You now copy it and you now proceed to this point and you now paste the code. So now once you paste the code, you click on OK. As you can see, successful. So now if you want to log in now, you now proceed and you log in with your new email. So if this was helpful, do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.